Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today we will learn about Quick6, the future of AI trading. This is an AI based forex trading platform that claims to make trading easier with modern technology. So let's start with the complete business plan of Quick6. Before I start the video, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the in future video. So let's start. Friends, before we proceed, it's important to understand a very crucial point. Forex trading involves risk. The market fluctuates and both profits and loss are possible. This company does not promise any guaranteed income or fixed return. Every individual should make decision based on their own understanding, experience and risk tolerance. So the objective of Quick Fix is to make forex trading smarter with the help of AI technology. This platform focuses on simplified trading through automated AI bots. Talking about security feature, Quick6 prioritize security above all else. This platform uses advanced security system ensuring the safety of user data and fund. Trades are executed quickly due to the instant execution feature. Let's talk about the most traded currency EUR USD, USD JPY, GPB USD are the most traded currency in the forex market. Quick 6 work with the MetaTrader 5 means MT5 platform. MT5 is a user friendly platform which offers advanced chart indicators and automated trading feature. It supports forex as well as stocks, commodities and crypto trading. AI stands for artificial intelligence where machines have the ability to learn, think and make decisions like human. AI analyze large amount of data to identify pattern and help in making better decision. Quick6 uses this AI technology for trading automation. Regarding profit sharing, the ratio will be 70-30. 70% will be yours and the remaining 30% will be distributed. Now let's talk about the types of income in Quick6. You get 7 types of income. Referral difference income, profit sharing difference income, profit royalty, reward income and super seed income. The subscription fees on this platform is $75, which includes $65 for distribution and $10 for gas fees. Quick6 gives user the freedom to choose their preferred broker. Quick6 AI bot works by connecting to your broker account. Let's learn about rank income. If you pay the subscription fees of $75, you achieve the starter associate rank. Upon completing 3 direct referral, you achieve the team builder rank. As soon as you have 3 team builders in your team, you will achieve the senior leader rank. With 3 senior leader in your team, you will achieve executive leader rank. With 3 executive leader in your team, you achieve regional mentor rank. With 3 regional mentor in your team, you will achieve national director rank. With 3 national director in your team, you will achieve elite ambassador rank. With 3 allied ambassadors in your team, you achieve the crown ambassador rank. With 3 crown ambassador in your team, you will achieve the royal crown director rank. With 3 royal crown director in your team, you will achieve the global grand master rank. Next is rank referral income. Each rank has different referral income and training profit income associated with it. Upon achieving the starter associate rank, you receive $10 in referral income and 3% in trading profit income. At the team builder rank, you receive $19 in referral income and 4% in trading profit income. Upon achieving the senior leader rank, you receive $27 in referral income and 5% of trading profit income. At the executive leader rank, you achieve $34 in referral income and 6% trading profit income. At the regional mentor rank, you will receive $40 in referral income and 7% of trading profit income. At the national director rank, you receive $45 in referral income and 8% of trading profit income. At the elite ambassador rank, you receive $49 in referral income and 9% of trading profit income. At the crown ambassador rank, you receive $52 in referral income and 10% of trading profit income. At the royal crown director rank, you receive $54 in referral income and 11% of trading profit income. And at the global grandmaster rank, you receive $55 referral income and 12% of trading profit income. Next is rank difference income. At the starter associate rank, you receive $10 in referral difference income, 3% profit sharing income. At the team builder rank, you receive $9 in referral difference and 1% profit sharing income. At the senior leader rank, you receive $8 referral difference and 1% profit sharing difference income. At the executive leader rank, you receive $7 referral difference and 1% profit sharing difference income. At the regional mentor rank, you receive $6 referral difference, 1% profit sharing difference income. At the national director rank, you receive $5 referral difference and 1% profit sharing difference income. At the elite ambassador rank, you receive $4 referral difference income and 1% profit sharing income. At the crown ambassador rank, you receive $3 referral difference and 1% profit sharing difference income. At the royal crown director rank, you receive $2 referral difference and 1% profit sharing difference income. And at the global grandmaster rank, you will get a $1 referral difference and $1 profit sharing difference income. For example, if someone has achieved the crown ambassador level and there is an elite ambassador in their team, then $4 in subscription fees will come to the crown ambassador and 1% of the profit sharing will come from their team. If there is a team builder, then they will receive $3 from subscription and 6% of the trading profit sharing income from the team. If there is a direct allied ambassador in their team, then $4 will come from their subscription fees and 1% of the profit sharing income will come. If a senior leader is in their direct team, then $25 will come from their subscription fees and 5% of the profit sharing income will come. If there is an elite ambassador in their team, then $4 will come from their subscription fees and 1% of the profit sharing income will come. And if someone is a star associate, then $52 will come from subscription fees and 10% of the profit sharing income will come. Next is royalty and reward. This is profit sharing royalty which will be equally distributed among all achievers from the company total profit. You don't get any royalty and reward at the starter associate or team builder rank. Upon achieving the senior leader rank, you will receive a $50 reward. At the executive leader rank, you will get $100 reward is given. At the regional mentor rank, you will receive $200. At the national director rank, you will receive 2% royalty and $1,000 reward. At the elite ambassador rank, you will receive 2% royalty and 2,000 reward. At the crown ambassador rank, you will receive 1% royalty and $5,000 reward. At the Royal Crown Director rank, you will receive 1% royalty and $10,000 reward. And at the Global Grandmaster rank, you will receive 1% royalty and $50,000 reward. Next is the Sponsorship Super Seed Program. In the Super Seed Program, 10% of the leader's total income is given to the sponsor. This incentive system strengthens leadership. Friends, now let's talk about Quick 6 terms and conditions. The $75 fee here is only for one AI subscription and one trading account. Both deposit and withdrawal will only be done through USDT B20 wallet. If you want to withdraw, a minimum withdrawal of $10 is required. But $2 charge will be applied to each withdrawal, and if the trading account has not yet been attached to the AI, then a lapse amount of $1 will be deducted every day until the trading account is connected. If you don't have enough gas fees, your boat will be disconnected. So friend, this was the complete business plan overview of Quick 6. If you want to understand technology, AI and automated trading system, then do proper research first and only then make a decision. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.